Do either you or a loved one have a tenuous relationship with curbs? Well, this may help. I'm installing one of these kits today, so I thought I'd capture a little bit of footage and share it with you. This is the All Fit rim trim. The kit is $59.95, can fit up to 24-inch wheels. It's enough for four 24-inch wheels, and its width is 3/8 of an inch. Comes in a few different colors. It comes in clear, black, silver, white, red, orange, yellow, and blue. Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Within this kit, you'll get 4 alcohol swab packs to clean the wheel. You're going to get 2 packs that have the primer, and they are the adhesive promoter for that double-sided tape on the kit. You'll get the trim itself. They'll give you a glove, instructions, and all you need to grab is a nice sharp scissors. All 4 wheels of the Maserati GT here have been cleaned, and I used a panel prep, but we're going to use their alcohol wipes to go over the areas one more time. So far, the shop manager is not impressed, but maybe we can change her mind. Let's get to work. First, just tear open the foil package, pull out one of the alcohol swabs, and go out on the outer ridge of the rim at the lip and clean it thoroughly. I don't know if these would be for me, but we install many aftermarket parts for vehicles, and that includes something as simple as this. And we shall see if this is something that would be of my interest when we have it installed completely and ready to roll. Again, just go over that outer edge. Make sure there's no waxes or sealants or wheel protectants on there. We need a bond with the wheel itself, and it's made for any type of wheel. Next, we tear open the foil package that contains the swab with the adhesive promoter, and we're going to go over that area one more time. The rim trim is fashionable and functionable. It'll give it color and a little bit of personal touch, and also add protection from minor curb scrapes. And I mean minor. I wouldn't rely on these for a heavy gash against the curb. With that finished on all 4 wheels, we get out the rim trim itself, and it has a little bit of a lip, so it'll help guide you when lining it up with the outside of the lip of the wheel itself. Double-sided tape, so pull off the backing and start to get it on that wheel. Line it up, go all the way around. When the placement of the rim trim is exactly where you want it, give it a firm press into the wheel. The harder the better. When you have the trim wrapped around the circumference of the wheel, grab a scissors and take your time. Be careful, cut straight, and you'll have a nice seamless wrap around the lip of your rim. Check alignment one more time and then go around the edge of the wheel and press the trim into the wheel as hard as you can one last time. And for the finishing touch, they have a thin, transparent film here that you put on and bridge the seam, bridge the gap of the seam. Now, if you've cut correctly, there won't be a gap, and it'll be hard to find the seam. But this goes over both halves and just makes it even more structurally sound. Simple, that's all there is to it. From what I've seen, it will help guard against very light brushes up against curbs. And if you have the right calipers, can give it a little bit of a fashion statement. Not for me, quite honestly. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments section. But another thing, as we look at the good and the bad, the adhesive, which is good, does seem to hang in there for quite some time, even with wheel cleaners. But the colors, if out in the sun for long periods of time, may oxidize. So this red I've seen turn pink.